I hope you all are having an amazing day. So as you could see from the title down below, today we are going to be unboxing the November 2019 Sip Spy box. For those of you that do not know, Sip Spy is a monthly tea subscription. They send you a variety of teas. You can go onto their website when you sign up and you do fill out an extensive profile letting them know if you like caffeinated teas, green teas, flavored teas, caffeine-free teas, loose leaf teas, and if they do send you, this is one thing I do really like, if they do send you a loose leaf tea, they will send you little bags that you can put in case you don't have like an actual steeper, which I think is fantastic. Now this subscription is $15 a month, and I do have a promo code I will put down below with a link that will save you $5, so you get your first box for only $10 a month. Or $10 for that month. But you do also receive 4 different teas every month. And we're going to get in here and we are going to see what they chose for me for November. Because again, like I said, this is completely customized. So, when you open it up, it says Sip Spy, and then it has your card here. And it says, enjoy your teas. So it says November teas, and I love this because it's little hearts and tea leaves, and it says made for Nikki because again it is customized. So we're thankful for steamy delicious cups of tea this season. Don't you agree, Nikki? This November we're all about taking moments to appreciate the small lovely things in life. All right, so what is this? Okay, so this is what we see when we open it. So that is nice. All right, so we will just get to it. So we're gonna have a loose leaf tea, I can already tell, because here's the little bag I was telling you about with the little bags for you to make your tea. But we're gonna start with this guy right here. Ooh. Okay. And this is, all right. So we got 3 of these. Sometimes you get 3, sometimes you get 4. It just depends on the tea. Oh, now this, okay, so this looks like you can make multiple cups from just one, but this is, like I said, you get 3. So this is what it looks like. And this is the Honey Aroma Black Tea Sip Spy Tea Journal. You get it's 1 sachet per 10 ounces of water. 203 degrees Fahrenheit. You're going to steep for 3 minutes, and you can re-steep it 2 times. So each of these is actually 3 cups of coffee, or tea, I'm sorry. So that's 12 cups, right? 3, oh no, 9. I can't do math today. This is a high caffeine, yay. So it says Honey Aroma Black Tea is a unique black tea from the Shiding District, New Taipei City. I apologize. A very limited quantity of this tea is available every year. Each sachet makes 2 to 3 cups of tea. So that is awesome. Honey Aroma. It has simple, chic taste. I bet that's going to be really good. All right. And then we have 4 of these. And this says, let's see, there's 4. And this is Echinacea Plus by Sip Spy Traditional Medicinals. 1 teaspoon per 8 ounces of water, 212 degrees, steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Now this is a caffeine free. This says immune boosting echinacea was used by a number of Native American tribes for hundreds of years before it was introduced into Western herbal traditions. Now I actually like that because, again, if you guys follow me, you know I have rheumatoid arthritis and stuff, so my immune system is not the best. So I actually am excited to give this a try, and it says original with spearmint. So that sounds like it'll be good. All right, and then we have it's a big old boy right here. This big boy right here. And this is organic Chesapeake Sunrise, sips by capital T's. 1 teaspoon per 8 ounces of water at 175 degrees for 3 to 4 minutes. It says green tea, black tea, orange peel, jackfruit, and almond. This is a high caffeine tea. Green and black tea leaves are blended into a golden brew that is emboldened with flavors of creamy almond, tropical jackfruit, and bright orange peel. To make iced tea, brew at double strength for the maximum recommended time and then mix with ice cubes to dilute. So you can actually make this into an iced tea as well. That sounds really good. All right, and then we have one more here, and this is, oh, now, wait, what? This is hot chocolate. Oh, goodness, Hot chocolate, sips by David's Tea. 1 teaspoon per 8 ounces of water for 200 degrees, 4 to 5 minutes. Purity, I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. I apologize. Black tea, cocoa nibs, chocolate chips, chocolate curls, stevia extract. Flavoring contains soy and milk. This is a high caffeine. This decadent blend of black and pu'er teas tastes like a rich, fudgy cup of hot chocolate. It's sweet, creamy, and filled with dark cocoa nibs and chocolate chips. Rich, fudgy, and indulgent. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try this. And that it's high caffeine? Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm excited for this. Okay, so we have the hot chocolate tea. Yay. All right, and then we have the Chesapeake Sunrise organic tea. This was also high caffeine. This was the green and black combo. And then we have these are caffeine free, but this is the immune support Echinacea Plus with 4 of those. And then we had 3 here of the Honey Aroma black tea from Tea Journal. So I am so excited. Like, this was a great box, and I'm really tickled about the hot chocolate tea. Like, that sounds amazing. So that was my November's 2019 Sips By box. Let me know your thoughts. Do you get Sips By? If you do, did you get any of the same teas? Do you like these teas? What do you think about the hot chocolate tea? I'm excited to try that one. So, like I said, I will put a link down below as well as that promo code because, like I said, this is $15 a month. It does include free shipping, but that promo code will save you $5 off your first month. So it will be a $10 charge for the first month. So, again, everything will be down below. Don't forget, we do have a couple active giveaways going on. Those will also be linked down below. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you, if I get this closed, on the next video. I can't wait to try this hot chocolate. I am so excited. Oh, hot chocolate that has caffeine. Christopher's not getting that one. All right, y'all. I hope you have a fantastic day. Again, I know I've said this like 8 times, but have a wonderful day. I will see you on the next one. And don't forget to check down below for all of the information about Sips By as well as those giveaways. Bye-bye.